morning everyone. Welcome to the YouTube channel of Lalbagh Girls Inter-College. Children, I am Shalini Malhotra. Today we will study the story about a small boy who didn't want to do his homework and likes to play. Do you like to do your homework? Let us think. Is it good to keep your homework incomplete? And why do your teachers assign you homework daily? Let us imagine these points. Let us think about them. Let us find it. Patrick never liked to do his homework. Too boring, he said. He loved to play baseball and basketball and a Nintendo instead. This is a boy, his name is Patrick. He didn't want to do his homework. Either he wants to play all the time. He loved to play basketball, baseball and Nintendo. Children, Nintendo is a Japanese play video game. It is an electronic video game. His teachers told him, Patrick, do your homework or you won't earn anything. Teachers always say to Patrick, either you do your homework or you won't be able to earn anything in your life. But what could Patrick do? He hated homework. He doesn't like to do the homework. He hated homework. Then one day, he saw his cat playing with a little doll. Patrick snatched it away. He saw the cat was playing with the little doll. He snatched it away. But he couldn't believe his eyes. It wasn't a doll at all. Rather, a very tiny man, an elf. Children, elf is a very small, tiny man who plays the tricks on man. This is not a doll. Patrick saw that this is not a doll. It was a tiny man. The elf wore a tall hat like a witch. Now he is wearing a very tall hat. Save me, he yelled. Don't give me back to that cat. I'll grant you a wish. I promise you that. Now this elf is saying to Patrick, now don't give me away to that cat again. And I will give you a wish. He is saying to Patrick, I will give you a wish. I promise that. Patrick couldn't believe his luck. Here was the answer to all his problems. Now Patrick was very happy. He couldn't believe that he was getting a wish from the elf. So he said, will you do all my homework till the end of the term? Do a very good job. I could even get A's. Now Patrick is saying, just you do my homework for this till the end of this term, because this elf has promised to give him a wish. The little man's face wrinkled like a dishcloth. Now the little man, his face was wrinkled, his face shrinked. As in the old age the face shrinks, wrinkles are there, his face also shrinks like a dishcloth. Dishcloth you have seen, children? He kicked his legs, clenched his fists, and he scowled and pursed his lips. Oh, why did I promise? But I shall do it. Now the elf was saying, why did I promise this thing? But when I have promised to this Patrick, this small boy, I will keep my promise. I will do his homework. And true to his word, that little elf began to do Patrick's homework. Now this little man, he started doing Patrick's homework. The elf didn't always know what to do and he needed help. Now this little man, he never knew, he didn't always know what to do in the homework. Help me, he would say, and Patrick would have to help in whatever way. Now he said to Patrick to help him in completing his homework, and Patrick had to help him out. I don't know this word, the elf squeaked while doing Patrick's homework. Squeaked is a small cry, children. And while doing the homework of Patrick, he said, please help me. Bring me a dictionary. Dictionary will give you the meaning of every word. No, look up the word and read out the meaning. When it came to math, Patrick was out of luck. What are tables? The elf shrieked. We elves never need that. Now this elf, he doesn't know even maths. He was out of question of knowing the maths part and what these addition, subtraction, division and fractions. Here, sit down beside me and must simply guide me. Now the elf is saying to Patrick, just sit down beside me and guide me, because he was not known to maths. Elves know nothing of human history. To them it's a mystery. Now the elf is saying they don't know anything about history. It is a mystery for them. So the little elf, already a shouter, just got louder. Bring me more books. I need books. More and more books. And you can help me read them too. So Patrick had to work harder than ever before. He had to keep awake night after night. He had never felt so weary. Now Patrick was so much tired, he had to help this elf all the time for bringing the books, giving him the books, as the elf was always shouting for the books because he didn't know the proper study, proper chapter, proper knowledge of the books. Finally, the last day of the school arrived and Patrick kept his promise. He let the elf go. As for homework, there was no more, so he quietly and slyly slipped out the back door. Now the last day of the promise came and Patrick had to relieve the elf. He had to release the elf. As for the homework was already done. Patrick got this A's. Now Patrick got the A in his result. He got the A rank. His classmates were amazed. They were shocked. His teachers smiled and were full of praise. And as for his parents, they wondered what had happened to Patrick. And all the people and his parents were wondering, were surprised at what had happened to Patrick. He has got the A in his class. He was now the model kid. He cleaned his room, did all his chores, and was always cheerful. Never rude to anybody, as if he had developed a new attitude. Now Patrick was totally changed. He has developed a very good attitude towards everybody. Now this Patrick, he was not rude to anybody. You see, in the end, Patrick still thought he had made that little tiny man to do all his homework. Patrick was still thinking that he had made the tiny man to do his homework. But let me reveal the secret. Let me tell you the secret to make the people aware of this secret. It's just between you and me. It wasn't the elf who did Patrick's homework, but it was Patrick himself who had done it all. This all homework was done by Patrick himself because he had worked so hard in helping the elf, and that way he has done the homework himself only. This is all about the story, children. How the small boy had changed a lot and got the A's in his ranking. So children, I hope that you have liked this story and go through this story again, children. And thanks a lot for watching this video. Have a good day, children. Goodbye.